Joy from Joy Quilts. Today I'm quilting a little sailboat quilt and a little bit of a beach thing. Considering we can't go to the beach, at least we can kind of look at it. Okay. I'm on row 5. So what I've done is put the needle at a specific spot on the last row so it can judge where the next row will start, and it's going to move to the first stitch of the next row. Then all I have to do is pull up the bobbin thread and press the button and off it goes. Using polysheen thread, top and bottom, 40 weight polyester. Quilts beautifully. The other reason I really like it is, and especially in a kid's quilt, is it wears like iron and it doesn't bleach out, so it takes kind of a beating, which is good. The design I'm using is called Cotton Top, but it also looks like waves, so I use it a lot when I'm doing a quilt that has water on it. This is a cute little quilt. It's got some sailboats and fish on the sails, and then it's got whales, sharks, octopus with glasses. Cute little touches on it. Basically a crib quilt. It's a little kit that was given to me to do by one of my friends. She donates a lot of quilts to children's charities, so that is where this one's going to go. Especially for kids' quilts, I like to use the rectangular or square designs because they cover evenly, and then you want a lot of not negative space showing. You want to have a lot of quilting, but not overwhelming, but fairly even. So this is a good one for that. Nice circular motion, so it doesn't actually bung up at any particular spot. Some of the more geometric ones you have to slow right down, and they do kind of pull when they turn and jerk, but this is nice and smooth, so it really keeps the stitches even. Cute fabric. It's a Northcott collection. What's interesting is the light blue that's the sashing was a different like a newsprint kind of motif on it, but I guess it didn't sell, so they've used it upside down for sashing. The color is perfect and it works really well. You can always repurpose something that didn't work out the way you originally had planned. It had printed a little bit crooked and wasn't really a nice fabric, so this is a great idea. Repurpose it as a solid. Using an 80 SUK ballpoint needle. Sometimes I use a 90, but the 80 seems to work really well with the Metler polysheen thread. And it's a little bit smaller hole than a 90. Some people worry about the holes when they get their quilt back, but they close up after you wash it. And basically, if you realize that you're using an SUK or a ballpoint needle, it's not piercing the fabric like a sharp does, it's separating the fibers so that you don't have that cut of the needle. It's more of a separation, so with time it closes up naturally. I'm going to do a couple of baby quilts over the next few days, because now I'm digging deep into the stash. We've run out of new fun stuff, but I do have some kits that people have given me to do, and this is nice and bright, happy. Suits our lovely -25 day. And the good news is it's not snowing yet. Very cute fabric. Even the sharks are smiling. And that's cotton top on a crib quilt. You can check us out on Facebook, Joy Quilts, Instagram, we have a website, joyquilts.com, and anywhere else we see you online. Have a great day.